You can see the ugliness. It's just, guys, the floor is done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. We've made it to 1K here, so that's really exciting. So make sure, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me there at Amzon, and make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any more like cool videos. Today I have an exciting project ahead that I want you guys to see, and I want you guys to like learn how to do if you don't know how to do this. I've done this once before, but we are using stick and peel tile to make over my kitchen floor. So this is what it looks like. I got these, I'm even not making too much noise. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a second, but I got these off of Amazon. It was about $30 per box. I got 3 boxes because I originally bought 2 and it didn't fit the room. So I ended up getting an extra box. Sorry about that. I ended up getting an extra box because it didn't fit the whole thing. So if you are not going to measure this, if you don't plan on measuring the square footage of your kitchen, which I recommend you do, make sure that you grab an extra box than what you think you need, just in case, so that you don't have to wait to finish your project. Anyways, I got these off of Amazon. I will put the link below if you like this style, but this is what it looks like. Right now we have a brown tile in the kitchen, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. But we have a brown tile, and it's kind of like soaking up all the light, and it's making it kind of like a yellow tone in there, and I don't like that yellowy, dark, dim tone. I also redid the cabinets. If you haven't watched that, please watch that video. I redid the kitchen cabinets with stick and peel wallpaper, or like contact paper. And so now it's a little darker in there, but the light, like the whiteness from the floor, will reflect off the light from the window that comes in, and the light from the ceiling light. So I think that it'll be more of a bright situation in there, which is going to be nice, because it is kind of like in the middle of the apartment, and it's like the darkest room, I would say, that we have. Before we get into this project, I just want to mention this is a rental friendly project. This is stick and peel. This is not permanent. If you're in a rental property and you can't really like change like the look permanently, I would do something like this, because then when you move out, you can remove it. Stick and peel, you can remove it, and then once you remove this, you can, you know, sort of wash the floors and make sure that they get back to like the normal look and feel of that. Let's get into this video. I'm so excited. Okay, so before we get into the project, I sort of laid out all the tiles that I'm going to be using for like the main portion of the room, and I just wanted to lay them out just to get an overall idea of what it was going to look like, and it looks great so far. I need to cut these, which is why I didn't place those on the floor, but once I place like the main tile like layout, then I will do like the cutouts that I need to do for the edges here. Okay, so you can see the ugliness. It's just so drab. It has no life. It's lifeless. It looks dull. It's just ugly. So this is the before. Okay, I'm sitting on the floor right now because this is obviously where the project is gonna happen. Basically what I'm using for the floor is just wipes, disinfectant wipes. You can use Clorox wipes, whatever, and I'm using paper towel. So basically what I'm going to do is the tile that I'm about to place the stick and peel on, I'm going to give it a nice wipe, and then I'm going to dry it up with a towel. I just want to make sure that there isn't any like hairs, dust, any stains that I might have missed while cleaning the floor. I want to make sure that there's nothing that can prevent it from not sticking, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start wiping, drying, and sticking. Okay, so I have a little stack right next to me right here. It's gonna be my working stack for this row that I'm gonna start here. And basically I'm just gonna wipe. And I'm gonna try and use this wipe as much as I can so that it's not like a wasteful project. But I'm gonna get this nice and clean here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a paper towel and I'm gonna dry this up. Okay, and now I am going to take my tile, and so I've been debating if I should just place it right over or if I should place it a little over, just because I don't know if this is gonna give me trouble like peeling it up and then this one will come up afterwards. Yeah, that way I don't pick these ones up as well. Okay, I'm gonna start with that. So I'm gonna peel this off. Okay, it's a little bit stuck. Come on, little guy. There we go. And I'm gonna place it right here just so that we don't find trouble later on when I'm trying to pick them up off of the floor. Okay. Now I'm gonna have my professional stepper step on it. Come on in. You have the easiest job in the world. That's good. Okay, and that's it. And I'm just gonna repeat that throughout the whole kitchen. Okay, so let's do a little montage, why don't we? Just checking in really quickly, so don't mind my tripod, I was just filming with this. This is the first row that I did, and when I got to the end here I had to cut off about 2 inches. And the good thing about this one that I got off of Amazon, these tiles in particular, is they're not very thick, so you can get a normal scissor or a craft scissor or something, and you can easily cut edges off. So like when I get to these difficult edges here, it will be really easy for me to cut. So I have a nice clean straight cut over here, and it's just like a seamless row that we have so far. When I get to the edge over there, it won't be difficult just because it is a thinner tile, a thinner stick and peel tile, so it's going to allow you to be able to work with it more. Update, about half of the front part of the floor is done. I just have to make a little cutout for this guy right here. Anthony's just wiping over here, but we've got this part done so far. One thing I just want to mention before I keep going is that if you have a tile that has like sort of a pattern, what I found is that like when I was reading the reviews, I saw a lot of people say that, oh, these tiles suck, like they don't match, like the patterns don't match. What you have to do is you kind of have to like play around with it and like find sides. Like if you turn it on its side and you play around, you can find the side that like matches like the other side. So like these two, for example, these probably match. Let's see. Yeah, these will match. Once I take off like the paper, it's like prohibiting me from like putting it closely together. But you just have to kind of turn the sides and play around, because there are some sides that are going to be a little longer, a little shorter, a little skinnier. So you just have to find like the right side. And so before I've been like taking off like the paper in the back and sticking them to the floor, I've been seeing which side I'm gonna be sticking it on to make sure that the pattern's cohesive, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm just gonna keep updating you guys. Obviously you don't mind like the little things on top, but this is what we've got going on so far. I haven't done the edges yet, but all of these are stuck to the floor. I just have like this main corner over here to do, and then I'm gonna start going in and doing the border ones. But so far so good. It's just a matter of like sticking them and making sure you're like putting pressure down so that they can stay like stuck. I have a book, a really heavy book, on top of the tiles. After I like stick them, immediately after I just put the book down just so it can have like that immediate pressure. So like I said, we are wiping down with a disinfectant wipe just to make sure any stains or dust or debris that we missed before is off, and then he's going in with a paper towel to dry up the space so that we can stick it properly. So helpful. Say hi. He's like, F you.
No, I'm not.
It's football Sunday, y'all. Look, see in the little corner? And he's helping me, which is really kind of him. But we did wake up at 9:30 this morning to watch the Packers. Floor is done. Look at how good it looks. Woo. Look how good the floor looks. It looks so great. Now I think I might put this door back on next weekend, and I have to cover it with some contact paper, but just so that it's a clean look, because I feel like it looks a little messy with it open. But this is how the floor came out. It looks way better. It's more bright in here, and now everything feels more modern. And then we're getting a huge IKEA wardrobe in our room, and so this is going to come down and we're going to be able to store Anthony's shoes properly, so then our door will be nice and clear and everything will be clean and crispy and modern and nice clean lines and stuff. So that's what we really wanted here. And then maybe we'll update the towels, and then I'll do the fridge, and then it'll be like a super clean, like modern looking kitchen. I'm gonna put a picture in here of what it looked like before so you can see the difference. But yeah, that's it. We did it. I hope that this video was helpful to someone that was debating on whether or not to do this to their floors. It's really easy, simple. You just need to, you know, have like a nice amount of time set aside for this, and make sure that you have thin enough tiles that you can cut on your own in case you have like a weird kind of shape and it's not like just a square room that you're trying to cover. And then also you have to keep in mind, like, you have to go around furniture and like maybe like appliances and stuff, like an oven or fridge or something like that. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up if you made it this far. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Lots of more home apartment videos gonna be uploaded soon. We have the apartment tour, the most awaited video. Everyone keeps DMing me and asking me in the comments and stuff. But yes, that's coming soon, I swear. Anyways, make sure that you like and subscribe, and that's it. Thank you for hanging out. Bye!